My name is Dr. Torrance Temple, and I've spent the last 25 years attempting to get kids to love something that most tend to despise. Since the early 2000s and the onset of the internet, teachers that continue to use traditional methods found themselves facing greater and greater opposition for capturing their students' attention. That challenge didn't get easier when science budgets were continually cut through the 2000s for hands-on labs, which were oftentimes a key for enabling traditional methods to grab and hold on to student interests. As such, many of the really engaging labs became cost prohibitive. Perhaps even more devastating were the district legal teams that prohibited the use of chemicals and demonstrations that the teachers previously used to capture that sense of awe and wonder. These were both colossal setbacks for selling STEM to kids, and it was about to get much worse. The combination of reduced funding, legal restrictions, meant that there was absolutely no way for your average STEM instruction to compete with the addictive, ubiquitously available mobile entertainment phenomenon, which at the very least is correlated to a drastic decline in students having the grit necessary to graduate with STEM degrees. Every socioeconomic group has experienced this hit, however, none more drastically than the low SES Hispanic communities. The US is falling behind, and the whole world is taking note. Which, according to researcher Heidi Shearholz, Russia, China, England, Japan, and Australia now all produce more STEM graduates than the United States. And this could very well lead to massive unemployment. Not because there aren't jobs, but because there won't be anyone around with the STEM training to do them. Over the last year at ExL Labs, we have started on a journey that we believe will re-engage STEM interest in the communities that need it the most. Inspired by Dr. Temple's doctoral research on the Area 154 program, we plan to design VR narratives immersed in STEM challenges, data collection, and problem solving, where the solutions to one chapter only open up more intriguing questions to be answered in the next chapter. Using the combined talents of the best that the video game industry has to offer, we will create a truly gamified experience that begs to be played, and subsequently provide an experiential sensory foundation on which more traditional instruction can take root. Cognitive memory research states that information is far more likely to stick when it has a sensory experience on which to adhere. Project Apollo is poised to build that foundation and provide safe, engaging, and dramatically immersive STEM experiences beyond anything that could possibly be done in a classroom. Thank you for your time and consideration. We look forward to beginning work on this bleeding-edge educational technology product.